Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to our online class. Last class we have discussed the chapter A Visit to Cambridge. I hope you all understood the chapter. So in this video we are discussing the grammar works in this chapter. So let's check the working with the language. So here we have working the text, questions are there that we can write later. So we are going to page number 106. There you can see working with language. So the first question, look there, fill in the blanks in the sentence below using the appropriate forms of the words given in the following box. In that box, yellow colored box, you can see some words: guide, succeed, chair, travel, pale, draw, true. So what we have to do is that we have to change that word. Change means some words we have to add in that. Let's check the first one. I met a dash from an antique land. I met a dash from an antique land. So the answer is there. I met a traveler from an antique land. I met a traveler from an antique land. Traveler. So I hope you got the idea. So second one to a seventh one you can try. So you can write that answers in the textbook itself. Use pencils, that is better. Use pencils to write and send that photo to the group. Then I will explain the answers. Then if any mistake is there, you can clear that answer. Okay. So let's check the second one. Look at the following words. You can see two words there, walk and stick. So with the help of that, if you add an article and if you add some words with that, you can make a new word. You will make a phrase with that. Walk, stick. You can make a word with a walk and stick. What is that? A walking stick. A walking stick. Like that, you can see 6 more words in the box. Read, session, smile face, revolve chair, walk tour, dance doll, win chance. These 6 you have to make phrases. That also you write and send it in the group. Now third one. There you can see use all or both in the blanks. This one you can fill it in the textbook and that also you can send it to the group. So first one, check there. Remember, when we are talking about 2 members, the word will use both. When we are talking about 2 members, we can use both. If it is more than 2 members, we will use only all. If only 2 members, will use the word both. Only 2. 2 members or 2 groups, we can use both. But if it is more than 2, we should use all. So I hope you got the idea. So you can easily fill that third question. Now let's go to the fourth one that we have learned in many classes about the adjectives. Adjectives of comparison. Look there. Complete each sentence using the right form of the adjective given in the brackets. First one. My friend has one of the dash cars in the road. It was given there fast. So what will be there? My friend has one of the fastest cars on the road. One of the fastest cars. Fastest. So I hope you understood it. What do you want to change the words? So second one, interesting is there. In interesting, how can you change it? Easy, short, late, early. So this all you try to do. Then next one is speaking and writing. In speaking, so when we are reading a sentence or talking, whatever it is, so the way of talking, the pronunciation must be correct. Otherwise, the person who is listening that word, they will not understand what you are talking. So look there. Say the following words with the correct stress. Pronounce the parts given in color loudly and clearly. So each word has some stress and intonation. So look here, in these all words, that colorful words are there, no? That blue colored words, letters. That part has stress in it. So when you are saying, you should not say camel. You should say camel. First one, camel. CA must be stressed. Camel. You shouldn't say camel. Camel. So that is wrong one. Camel is wrong. So what do you want to say? Camel. Ka should be present. Camel. Next one, balloon. Balloon. In this one, second syllable go to the stress. Balloon. Second one, what is there? Decent. Decent. D is pronounced stressly. Then next one, opinion. Opinion. In that, P is pronounced stressly. Opinion. Next one, fearless. Fearless. Then enormous. Enormous. Careful. Fulfill. Fulfill. Father. Together. Together. Govern. Govern. Then degree. Bottle. Before. So these are the stressed words. So look there. In a word having more than one syllable. Syllable means the stressed syllable means what is one syllable means if there was a vowel. Below you can see what is a word has many syllables as it has vowels. How many vowels are there? That all called that syllable part. In a word having more than one syllable, the stressed syllable is the one that is more prominent than the other syllables. So second one, a word has as many syllables as it has vowels. Look at that. Man. Man. In that only one vowel is there. So it is a one syllabled word. Look at that. Manner. Manner. In that two syllables are there because two vowels are there. Then the mark, you can see a mark there, indicates that the first syllable in manner is more prominent than the other. Now next one is that this one you have to do yourself. So underline the stressed syllables in the following words. You can consult a dictionary in that or ask your teacher is given there. First you try and check with the help of a dictionary. Even though if you have any doubts, you should ask it in the group. I will explain it in the group. Okay. So next one is given the writing a notice for the school notice board. How to write a notice. So this part, notice writing. This one is there. You can check. Step 1. What is step 1 there? Discuss why notices are put up on the notice board. What kind of notices have you lately seen on the board? How is a notice different from a letter or a descriptive paragraph? Notice you might have seen now more because it is election time, so a lot of notices will be there. Second one, what is there? Suppose you have lost or found something on the campus. What have you lost or found? You want to write a notice about it. If you have lost something, you want it restored to you in case someone has found it. If you have found something, you wanted to return it to its owner. So this type of notices you have might have seen. You can see somewhere an amount was lost. If anybody got, please report here. A notice will be there like that. Something is there. Found an amount from the road. Who is the owner? You can contact us. Like that notice also you can see. Step 3. Write a few lines describing the object you have lost or found. Mention the purpose of the notice in clear terms, clearly. Also write your name, class, section and date. Step 4. Let one member of each group read aloud the notice to the entire class. Compare your notice with the other class. That one we can do now. So even though you can try to write your own notice. You remember that one. This one you are writing your own. After writing, you send that one to me. Then I will clear it and I will change the mistakes and I will give you the idea how to write it. Now you have seen many notices. So from that idea, what do you know about the notice? You prepare a notice. After, I will give you some more ideas about notice. Okay. The question is that, imagine that you are a journalist. You have been asked to interview the president. Okay, the second one is there. Interview the president of the village panchayat. Write 8 to 10 questions you wish to ask. So this time it's easy to get this type of questions. The question should elicit comments as well as plans regarding water and electricity, cleanliness and school education in the village. So this is an interview. You are conducting an interview with the president of the village, Panchayat. Okay, Panchayat president. So what you can ask? You should ask questions related to water, electricity, cleanliness of the village and school education in that particular Panchayat. So these things you can do. So these all things you must do and send it to me. So here one crooked rhyme is there. Let's read and enjoy the rhyme. What is given there? There is a crooked man and he walked a crooked mile. He found a crooked coin against a crooked stile. He bought a crooked cat which caught a crooked mouse, and they all lived together in a little crooked house. So it's a very interesting poem, isn't it? So here we are winding up our today's our class. If you have any doubts about this part, you can ask it in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye. One more thing, don't forget to send your answers after watching this video. Thank you.